Hi, welcome. Today we will talk about something you see every day. Yeah, we see it every day. And it is something outside. Yeah, it is outside. And it changes every morning. It changes every morning. Can you guess what it is? Okay, let's open the window and see. Oh my god, look at this. What do you see? Bright lights, clouds, and maybe wind. Ooh, wind. These are all things that happen in the sky. Sometimes it is warm, sometimes it is cold, sometimes it rains, and sometimes it is hot. You see the pictures. Which picture shows the sky? Yeah, the sky's color is usually blue and it has clouds and sun. Yeah. When you wake up, do you look outside? What do you see? Clouds, maybe water on the ground. Yeah. All of these are parts of weather. Yeah, we call it weather. Can you say it with me? Weather. Yeah. All of these things, sun, clouds, rain, wine, have a big name. We call it weather. Okay. Which picture shows weather? Now, listen to these sounds. Listen. They are all part of weather. These sounds and pictures will help you understand the weather words. Okay. Now, what sound did you hear? What sound did you hear? Now you know what weather is and you listen to some weather sounds. Yeah. Uh, you will learn the names of different kinds of weather like sunny, rainy, cloudy, and more. Are you ready to learn the words? Let's go!
We will learn some words about weather. We start first of all sunny. Look to sun. Sunny. The weather is sunny. Repeat after me. Sunny. Well done. Windy. Windy. The weather is windy. Let's say together. Windy. One more time. Windy. Well done. Thank you. Cloudy. Cloudy. The weather is cloudy. Let's say together. Cloudy. Okay. Rainy. Rainy. Look the window. The weather is rainy. Let's say together. Rainy. One more time. Rainy. The weather is rainy. Well done. Stormy. I'm scared of stormy. Look the window. Stormy. The weather is stormy. Repeat after me. Stormy. Again. Stormy. Well done. Thank you. Snowy. Look the snowman. It is very cute. The weather is snowy. Repeat after me. Snowy. Again. Snowy. Well done. Cold. The weather is cold. Repeat after me. Cold. One more time. Cold. Well done. Finally, hot. Hot. The weather is very hot. Let's say together, hot. One more time, hot. Well done. Let's say repeat them. Hello. Sunny. Repeat after me. Sunny. Well done. Windy. Windy. Perfect. Cloudy. Cloudy. Perfect. Rainy. Again, rainy. Well done. Stormy. One more time. Stormy. Stormy. Okay. Snowy. One more time. Snowy. Cold. Let's say together. Cold. Well done. Finally, hot. Repeat after me. Hot. Thank you. Let's go on.
It is time to learn weather structure. Let's learn how to ask and answer questions about the weather. First, how and what questions? We ask these questions to learn about the weather. We can use two forms. What is the weather like today? And how is the weather today? And an example, what is the weather like today? It is raining and the girl has an umbrella with her. So it is cold and rainy. And how is the weather today? It is windy. So it is windy today. And secondly, how and what questions for specific places? We ask these questions to learn the weather in somewhere. For example, I want to learn the weather in Bolu. I ask, what is the weather like in Bolu? It is snowing, so the answer is, it is cold and snowy in Bolu. And I want to learn the weather in Antalya. How is the weather in Antalya? There is a sun and so hot. It is sunny and hot in Antalya. Now, I want you to write one question and one answer to it. And you can use these forms and you have 5 seconds. Then, if you did it, we can continue. Yes, no questions. For these questions, we can look at the weather or look at the picture and can ask, is it stormy today? Is it stormy today? Yes, it is stormy today because there are lightnings and it is heavy rain. So, yes, it is stormy today. And is it rainy in Ankara? No, it is cloudy in Ankara because, yes, there are clouds, but it is not raining and it is not snowing. So, it is cloudy in Ankara. And I want you to look at the picture and answer the question. You will have 5 seconds. Is the weather snowy today? The answer is B. No, it is cloudy today because it is not raining, it is not snowing, but there are clouds. So it is cloudy today. So if your answer is B, you are correct. Let's continue. And another question. Is the weather sunny today? You have 5 seconds. So if your answer is C, yes, it is sunny today, it is correct because there is sun. So this is how the structure works.
We learned a lot about the weather, right? Now, shall we wrap up what we learned? Let me hear you say yes. Okay, wonderful. If you said yes, let's dive in. So, our first activity is we will look at the pictures here on the screen and we will try to match the words with the picture, okay? So let's look at the first picture. The weather is... I will wait for you to answer. Yes, the weather is stormy. Wonderful, dears. So let's look at another picture. What do we see? Wind? Yes, we see wind, right? So the weather is windy. The answer is the weather is windy. Let's look at the last picture on this page. Yes, right? The weather is sunny. Wonderful. Now let's look at this picture. What do we see? Snow, right? So the weather is snowy. Wonderful. Let's look at the other picture. What do we see? Rain, right? What do we say? So the weather is rainy, right? Perfect. Let's look at our last picture. What do we see? Clouds. Wonderful. So the weather is cloudy. Yes, if you said the weather is cloudy, you're right. Now we have 3 friends. Okay? Our first friend is Ali. And Ali asking us, what is the weather like today? Let's look at the window and let's answer Ali. The weather is... I will wait for you to finish. Right? If you said the weather is sunny today, you're right. Wonderful. So we have Sanam here. Sanam asking us a question too. She says, is the weather hot today? Let's look out of the window. There is snow on the window. How can we answer? Yes, right? No, the weather is cold. It's not hot. There's no sun. There is snow. So the weather is cold. Wonderful. Okay, so now we have an answer. But what our friend asked us, what Zainab asked us, can you guess? We answered her, the weather is rainy. Right? So what she could possibly ask? Yes, she asked, what is the weather like? Wonderful. So, thank you for listening, dear students, and thank you for participating in the class. See you next time.